Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to read some article from investing.com, and for the title of this article is Dollar Gains Straight Yen Return to Downward Path, and this article is made by Nece. Before I start this video, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. The investing.com, the US dollar pushed higher in early European trade Thursday, in buyers returning ahead of next week's Federal Reserve meeting, while the yen struggled to hold the previous session against. At 250 ET, the dollar index, which tracks the greenback against a basket of 6 other currencies, traded 0.2% higher to 109,593, not far removed from its 2-decade peak of 110.75. Attention has now switched to next week's Fed meeting, with traders positioning for the U.S. Central Bank to become even more aggressive next week in its battle to curb inflation in the wake of Tuesday's hot consumer price report. This parade in the global macro financial cycle again recall the early 1980s experience with Paul Volcker at the helm of the Fed. To put the inflation gene back in the bottle, Volcker took policy rate to 15% and was prepared to accept recession as collateral damage, said analysts at ING in a note. No one in the market thinks the Fed funds policy rate is going above 10% anytime soon, but the inflation release did see the terminal Fed policy rate repriced to 4.3% from 4%. USD JPY rose 0.4% to 143.64, rebounding after falling 1% in the previous session on reports that the Bank of Japan had checked on exchange rate with banks. This is a throwback to the 1990s parade of Japanese FX intervention, where checking rate meant the POG FX intervention desk would be asking dealers for direct price ahead of intervention, ING added. However, the Japanese authorities failed to follow through with any concrete measures, and with the Bank of Japan unlikely to raise rate this year, and data released Wednesday showing a record Japanese trade deficit for August, yen selling hard resumed. Elsewhere, Euro USD dropped 0.2% to 0.996, trading below parity despite the European Central Bank's historic 75 basis point hike last week. Okay, so maybe that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this will be very useful for you, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video, and bye bye.